coming to the one of the important magnesium group in homeopathic group study. Learn magnesium group with a simple mnemonic. First, let us know the deficiency and excess of magnesium group. What are the causes? In the deficiency, the gastrointestinal causes the symptoms of loss of appetite, nausea and vomiting, cardiovascular problems, like irregular heartbeat, palpitations, hypertension, kidney stones, and nervous system problems like nervous system problems like disorientation, tiredness, confusion. And coming to the excess of the magnesium group, nausea and diarrhea, loss of appetite, and muscle weakness, low blood pressure, irregular heartbeat. And the important remedies that covers with the magnesium group: MagCarb, Magnesium muriaticum, Magnesium phosphoricum, Magnesium sulf. Some important remedies. And magnesium group covers the it is a nervous remedy, chilly in thermals, sensitive to cold, and miasm is psychotic. If you didn't watch the miasms which covers all the group studies, it is uploaded in our channel. Please watch it. And coming to the magnesium group, mentals and physicals with a simple mnemonic. Let us learn first the mental symptoms. Just remember the word parent for the mentals. P A R E N T. P for the pacifism. This is the main important feature of the magnesium group. And A for the aggression, hate aggression. They hate aggression in any form. These people try to avoid the these people always tries to avoid the violence. They don't like violence. They want peace, hate aggression, or for the repression. Internal anxiety and the emotions are repressed. Emotions are repressed. And E, E for the yes, insecurity. They feel there is something danger, but there is no danger. Lot of insecurity without any danger. Neglected feeling. These magnesium group have neglected feeling. They think that they were neglected by their parents. Mostly the females thinking that the females are neglected by parents. And coming to the T. T for the tremendous anxiety. With a simple mnemonic parent, we can remember all the mental symptoms of the magnesium group. Now coming to the magnesium group physical symptoms. In magnesium group physical symptoms is little bit funny, but we can remember as A for the aversion to milk, and M for the desire for meat is a characteristic feature of the magnesium group. Aversion to milk, desire for meat. And physical symptoms, coming to this mnemonic would be funny, but we can remember some of the physical symptoms by this mnemonic. Just remember a mobile name, OnePlus Nord T. Magnesium group, 2 mnemonics for mentals, parent, for physicals, OnePlus Nord T. Just if a magnesium group asks OnePlus Nord T, the parents are not giving. Like this you remember for the magnesium group. P for the periodicity is marked in this, and lack of vital heat leads to allergy, urticaria and asthma. And coming to the U, amelioration by walking. Aggravation by rest. And S for the sleep, unrefreshed sleep. And another S for the stools. Stools are green color in it. And N for the neuralgic pains. And O for the offensive in order. And R for the right side affections of the body. As earlier said, D for desire, desires for the mate. And the D for the discharges. Discharges are like tar like offensive discharges. And the T for the tumors, malignant tumors. Nearly 6 group studies are uploaded in our Bits for homeopathic channel in group study. Please do watch and don't forget to subscribe Bits for Homeo. Thank you for watching, and also watch the other group studies to score high marks in Metramedica.